So we are at the JW Marriott Essex House, which is a pretty iconic property. Really nice big closet here off the entrance. And this is pretty much so like a standard room. It's a little larger than the absolute standard rooms, but nice luggage rack over there, which I haven't used yet. And I literally just walked in, arriving after 10 o'clock at night. And as you can see, by New York standards, it's really a pretty nice sized room, actually. It's got a desk, which is awesome. And it's pretty nice. And they have a cool mini bar area. And they actually had this set up. I did take the plastic off first, left them on the crackers, but a really nice little food and beverage presentation and some bubbles and some Pellegrino, which is what I asked for. Super gigantic, comfortable looking king size bed. Bathroom is right over here, which is a pretty decent sized bathroom, actually. One sink and a little bit old school with the tub and shower, and definitely a little bit old school with the bidet. That is not a urinal, that is a bidet. So that is sort of interesting that these rooms have bidets, and they kept them with their most recent renovation. Room looks very, very crisp. Some amenities here. I'm guessing we have the large shower aromatherapy amenities, but it's pretty nifty. I mean, I think it's actually really tastefully done for a regular room. So this is cool. And once again, just at the front of the room, I love this. I love these racks for luggage. Oh, there's also a mini bar. Forgot to say, there's a mini bar stuff up here, and there is a mini bar over here with Moet and all kinds of things. So that's nice. I've seen mini bars sort of make the resurgence again, if that's a proper word to use. By the way, check out this ice bucket. Sort of deco funky, as are the elevators here. So anyway, it definitely feels quite roomy for a regular room. And that's about everything in this lovely room at the JW Marriott Essex House in New York off of Central Park.